So guys, in the last video we have already discussed about the synaptic transmission, and we already specifically explained about the chemical transmission. In this specific video we will see the differentiation between the electrical transmission and chemical transmission. As you can see, it is the presynaptic neuron, and this is synaptic cleft, and this is the part of your postsynaptic neuron. Okay, so here is the electrical transmission, and here I have written down the chemical transmission. So first of all, uh, electrical transmission will be flowing through the gap junction. Which one? Gap junction. While chemical transmission will be going through the synaptical vesicles through. If you talk about which one is a fast process, then electrical communication, or you can say electrical procedure, is fast rather than your chemical transmission. If you talk about this is gap junction, and it is electrical transmission is bidirectional. It's mean you can say if it is single direction, then it can reverse back like this, while chemical transmission will be flowing through in only one direction. That's why we call it unidirectional process. So chemical transmission is unidirectional process, while your electrical transmission is bidirectional process. If you talk about uh, electrical transmission have only one effect, that is excitatory effect, while your chemical transmission have both the effect, excitatory or inhibitory. If your acetylcholine is secreting, then it will showing the excitatory effect, or your any other inhibitory chemical is secreting, then the inhibitory source will be going on. Okay, if you talk about which one is uncommon, then electrical synapse or electrical transmission is very uncommon in the animals, while chemical synapse or chemical transmission is very commonly found in the animals. Okay, so this is the basic differentiation between chemical and your electrical transmission. This is gap junction, and you always need to remember this thing, that your presynaptic neuron and postsynaptic neuron will show always electrical signal. Your transmission name will be decided by the synaptic cleft. If gap junction is found in the synaptic cleft, then this transmission will be called as electric transmission, while is any kind of chemical is secreting in your synaptic cleft, then it will be called as chemical transmission. It is the basic differentiation between of these transmission, and you need to remember all of this, because you will get confused between electrical and chemical transmission. These are totally different process. If any chemical is secreting in the synaptic cleft via your synaptic vesicle, then we will call it chemical transmission. Okay, if gap junction, your signal is passing through gap junction in the synaptic cleft, then we will call it electrical transmission. So this is all about the basic differentiation between these transmission. I hope guys you will get it. If you have any problem, then comment down below. Thanks.